On 29th October 2024, we had the privilege of hosting Dr. Ravi C. Nayar, Program Director of CBAP, CCAMP Inter-Institutional Biomedical Innovations Program at CCAMP, Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, for a highly anticipated guest lecture titled Biomedical Innovations, the Need of the Hour, as part of the Faculty Development Program at BGS Medical College Hospital. Dr. Nayar, with his transformative vision for healthcare, has built a unique platform that bridges medical professionals and engineers to foster collaborative research and drive impactful biomedical advancements. The session saw enthusiastic participation from all BGSMCH faculty who actively engaged with Dr. Nayar, gaining invaluable insights into the future of biomedical innovation. At the end of the session, Dr. Gangadhara KS, our Principal and Dean, felicitated Dr. Nayar and extended heartfelt gratitude for his powerful and inspiring lecture.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.